Hi guys, my name is Michael. If you're looking for a smartwatch, you have come to the right place. Let me share you my thoughts on this Fire Boltt Ring 3 Bluetooth smartwatch I've been using for a few weeks now.
With a 1.8 inches sharp display and its comfortable wearing experience, this watch is a complete package. It has multiple sports mode and health functions to keep your workouts and general well-being in line. Equipped with a Bluetooth calling feature, you can simply pick and make calls from this watch. The highly responsive mic and inbuilt speaker ensure that the calling experience on this watch is always top-notch. The voice assistant enabled smartwatch also has smart controls to offer you maximum ease of usage. You can get this watch in multiple color variants such as black, grey, navy, rose gold and few others.
Fire Boltt Ring 3 smartwatch is an exceptionally designed product which also happens to feel extremely comfortable on your wrist. You can get this watch in multiple variants and it looks quite a showstopper.